We're going to discuss probate, when and why it might be needed, and some of the outcomes of obtaining probate or not. Probate is simply the process of applying to the courts to validate the will of the deceased. The will does give the executor the authority to administer the estate. However, probate can be really important to, again, just validate with certainty that the will is the final will of the deceased and the executor has full authority. Many financial institutions will not allocate out assets according to a will alone, especially if there's no named beneficiaries, so an unregistered account, etc. There often will need to be a process of going through probate in order for those institutions to feel confident that the residuals or the assets being provided are going to the proper beneficiaries, and the executor has the authority to request this. So for some estates, probate is not necessary, but for many estates it is. Probate also starts a period of time for a limitation where those who might want to challenge the validity of the will have the time and an end point with which to do that. If probate is not applied for, the limitation period never starts, and so therefore it theoretically doesn't end either. Probate fee planning can be an important component of your overall estate plan. In Alberta, of course, probate fees are insignificant. However, in other provinces, namely Ontario and BC, probate fees can be quite significant. Be careful when you're working with probate fee planning, or your goal might be to eliminate probate fees in your estate, because there can be unintended consequences for your estate and beneficiaries by engaging in probate fee planning. Probate fee planning should be part of your overall estate planning goals and objectives, and your financial planner can help you understand and maybe even project out what your outcomes would be by trying to accomplish your probate fee planning you have in mind, and perhaps provide you with some alternatives or other suggestions if the outcome isn't what you intend. Absolutely vital to estate planning, of course, is writing a valid will with a lawyer who understands your goals and objectives. Including your financial planner and involving them in the conversations with your lawyer can be beneficial in understanding by both parties and yourself how you'd like to see your goals accomplished. If you'd like us to be involved, you have any questions about how your beneficiary designations or other goals and objectives for your estate needs are going to be met, please reach out to us and we're happy to help.